Blue? No blue. Looks better without it. Alright, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Stranger Things video upside down effect. It's basically where you have your phone, you drop it, and then it goes upside down, you reverse the clip, and then flip it upside down, and then it looks like you're in the upside down. It's a cool thing. You use like your counter to transition on it, and here's basically what I made. Let me make sure this dude focuses. It's super easy and simple. You can do this on any software. I'm gonna just show you the basics to how to do it, and I'll have it for you guys right now. So let's do it. Alright guys, so I'm here on my computer, and basically what I did, I dropped my phone from the mirror. I made it look like I was holding the phone with like magic powers with this top hand over here, and I'll just make this a little bit bigger for y'all. And this is here in real time. This is me dropping the phone. Bam. The reason it looks weird is because my phone's got weird image stabilization, and it stabilizes like weird, so it looked like... Anyways, but I recorded it in 240 frames a second, basically what iPhones and Pixels and a lot of phones do that nowadays. So if you can at least get 120 or 240 frames, it'll be the best because it's the slowest and it makes it look the most fluid. And this is basically what I got. It's super slow, falling down, goes under the counter, and then of course it lands on the towel. Alright, so to sum it up the easiest way, you take the clip, and when it falls halfway, you use the motion blur from like the counter that you have, and then you split the clip right there, man. And then you move the rest because you don't need it. And then what you have right here is the clip falling, and that's it. And then you copy it, and then you paste it, right? And then there it is, bam. But instead of doing it like that, you reverse it. And I'm sorry that the preview is gonna look a bit sluggish here. It's for some reason Sony Vegas sucks at doing reverse. But yeah, as you can see, the clip is reversed. It's going up, and there it is going up, basically. Normal, simple stuff. Sorry, the laggy previews like that. I don't know, Sony Vegas is like that. But I wanted to show you guys in the most simplest form. And then, not just that, what you want to do is take the clip and just completely flip it upside down and delete any other keyframes so it doesn't move. So then it goes from the phone falling down in slow motion, falling through the counters, second clip, and then it's up. And when you have the beat, this whole part, when it changes, isn't really that noticeable. As you can see, it's not that noticeable. But I mean, if you are kind of worried, you can just take a blender, just blend it in, and it's smooth. You see that? How it just like you don't really notice it, and especially in real time. I just don't know how it's gonna work if this preview's bad. But yeah, bam! It fades it, not even noticeable. At least when you see it for the first time, and then you have it, and that's literally it. Now, if you want to, you can change it up, lower the exposure, add a lot of contrast, make it look darker. I've made my own preset. I call it horror. So here it is, and here's a bunch of other presets. This one's one that I changed up a bit, but I downloaded it, and it just adds a bunch of grain and darkness to it, and then when you go through it, I'm sorry if the preview's laggy again. I can't do anything about it. Sony Vegas is weird. But, I mean, there it is, and it goes up. Alright, and the final step, I almost forgot about it. In the description of this video, I'm gonna have the song that I used for it. It's basically the Stranger Things remix with a nice beat drop, and you align it properly, and it sounds like. And just to prove it to you guys, I'm gonna render this whole thing RN right now. RN right now. Right now for you guys. Oh my god, that one came out better than the one I uploaded. Do you guys see that? Look at this. Ready? Oh my god, I should have done that for the... Oh my god. That is crazy. Alright, well, that's basically it. Alright, guys, Alright guys, before I end the video, I just wanted to say that, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and, consider yourself to subscribe, consider subscribing, and, the video, well, I just made it, just got, an extra 200 views, ow, and, I don't know why this thing's, like, going viral or something, and I just, like, want to give shout out to these people who, like, put it their thing because they wanted. So we got 14,999. He wanted. We got Alex Corney and Expos He Ho. He asked if I record some, and then Isan Ai and Fernando Travis for Travis's. Sorry if I butchered your name. For oh. God. Fudge, that must have hurt something. And Fernando for saying that I tie a string to it. So, I thought that was pretty funny. Anyways, I would like to say thank you so much for watching, and, yeah, man, do whatever you want, actually, but, people just wanted me to do this tutorial, and, here it is. I hope you guys liked it and saw how I did it, so. Have a nice day. Bye.
And today I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. This YouTube video will be how to do the upside down transition. Without further ado, let's hop right into the video. Some examples of how it looks like. Now we are gonna need some apps. So here are the apps that we need. Apps that we are gonna need is Camera, RFV app, Splice, Musical.ly, and Video Star, the easier version. So to do that, you want to go to Musical.ly and you want to pick out your music. And I already picked out my music because I'm so cool. So I'll be doing this music. So yeah. Okay, camera roll, you have to go to the bathroom or anywhere that has a mirror in it, and we will go there right now. You'll have to go to like where it has a mirror, and then you just want to go to your phone. So I'm gonna screen record this because I kind of need to. So we're gonna do kind of lay out something at the very bottom. I just normally put like my bathrobe in here because I do that. There's some stuff there. Oh, there's soap that just fell out. There. Okay, I just put like anything down here. I'm also really bad at explaining, so just don't judge me. Okay, now you want to go to Musical.ly, and you want to make a video. You're not gonna make like a private video. You're just gonna make a regular video that your phone is falling out. So you want to go, oh, I'm already showing this. You want to go to the slow button and you want to rotate the camera. Once you have gone to the slow button, you are gonna click the 5 seconds button, which is just all the way there. I know I'm filming this and like screen recording, but who cares? Okay, so I'm gonna just go to 5 seconds button and I'm just gonna drop it. Make sure there's like a soft cushion at the very bottom. You can like kind of freak out. And just do that. Make sure it's like a perfect drop. So yeah, that's a pretty good drop. And then you want to save that on private. Once you have saved that on private, so I'm back. Once you have done that, you want to now save, so you saved it to your private, right? You want to, let me record this because, yeah, okay. Now you want to go to your privates and then you want to save that. So you're gonna it's gonna export, and then again you're gonna cut that now. So I'm just gonna cut this. So I'm gonna edit it where it fell. So right there, that is where I'm gonna edit it to. Don't worry about the sound because yeah. Okay, now save it as a new clip, and then you can delete the other clip if you want because you won't really need it. And this is how it's gonna look like. It's gonna drop. It is going to end right there. Now, you can multiple this. I don't really know how. Oh, okay. So you can do this. So you can go. No. So you want to save that again to your private. You want to save it 2 times. So I'm going to save that again. I should have. Don't delete the other one actually. And then just going to put it where I stopped it. So right there. Now, once it's there, I'm going to move it a little bit more because I feel like I said right, so it's right there. Okay, so I'm going to say that as a new clip because there's no like trim originally here. Okay, so there's going to be 2 clips. Now, you want to go to RFV, and once you have gone in there, you want to just click on video and just pick out the video that you got, which is, just pick one of them out, which is that one, and then you want to rotate it upside down. Now once it's upside down, you want to save it, and it's going to be done saving. Once it's done saving, you want to go back to Musical.ly, and you want to get the plus button, and then get that upside down video. And then you want to you can put like the piano filter. I'm going to just lower this down. You can put it in the piano filter or like what's the other filter? The Soul. But personally, I feel like that upside down is just a little bit more bluish. But I'm just going to go piano. You can go piano or... yeah, but on the other way, I'll show you like how to make it like kind of like the upside down. And then what you want to do is get like the timer and you want to click reverse. So it's like reversing. And then you want to save that private. Once it is saved private, now you want to click on that video and save that once again. Now we're going to connect both of the videos. So to do that, you want to go on Splice. You can go iMovie or like any editing thing that you like. But personally, I do Splice if it's like a compilation or whatever. Now I'm going to use I'm going to take both of the ones. I'm going to add and then I'm going to just skip this. Now, background color should just be black. Or you can choose whatever color, maybe like pink. I'm going to just go white actually. Or you can go black, whatever. It's your choice. And then the default transition should be none. And then and then this should be all off, the outro and the photo motion. Now you just want to click done. And this is how it's going to look like. Don't mind the music. Just that's how it's going to look like. Now you can like cut the music if you want. Now you want to save it to the highest HP. Is it HP? I don't know. The highest thing that you can find it pretty much. So once it is saved, now what you want to do is go to Musical.ly, and you're gonna just post this Musical.ly. So you want to click on that thing. Actually, if you want those like things to be out, like there, what you can do is go to Video Star. This is what I did last time. I just went to Video Star, and then I clicked on the plus button, and I clicked Edit Video. Once I edited the video, I just took the piece and then I just kind of spreaded it out just like that, so that it's only the video. And I'm gonna make it as a video. Okay, so once you have done that, now you want to save that to your camera roll or send it to Musical.ly. So once you send it to Musical.ly, you can click on the Musical.ly. Now you can post it. And so I hope you guys liked this video, and don't forget to like and comment whatever video you want me to do next, and don't forget to subscribe, and also follow me on my Musical.ly, which will be right here. And yeah, bye guys. Don't know what's the upside down transition. I don't know what I'm saying.